Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your ALCATEL 1T10 Smart. So, in the first step, we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Easy Fax. Now click on the allow and allow again. Sorry, you have to change the orientation. Okay, now click on the plus and select the source of your picture, like something from the gallery. Just select it and click import. Now you can add this shape to the document or the picture and click on the arrow icon. Then choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place. Select country from the list. And if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on the send icon. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.